Ready to add some excitement to your cooking with a cool gadget? In this video, we'll show you 19 kitchen gadgets, all available as hot deals on Temu right now. Let's get started. This 2-in-1 portable device fits perfectly in your hand, making it incredibly easy to use. Safety is a top priority with this sealer. A clever sliding cover protects you from the heating element, eliminating any risk of burns. Its compact size allows it to conveniently attach to your fridge, always within reach when you need it. Once heated, this little powerhouse seals bags effectively, helping to keep your snacks, cookies, and other foods fresher for longer. It's an affordable solution to extend the life of your opened packages. This space-saving rack combines efficiency and sturdiness in one sleek design. Featuring an integrated sponge holder, this caddy keeps your dishcloths, dish soap, and brushes neatly arranged and easily accessible. Its multi-purpose design makes it an ideal countertop organizer for all your essential kitchen accessories. Users rave about its practicality, confirming it's exactly as pictured and holds everything needed at a great price point. The caddy not only organizes, but also adds a stylish touch to your sink area, giving it that extra pop of functionality and aesthetics. This stackable tray isn't just for freezing water. Use it for cocktail whiskey ice, chocolate molding, and more. Users love the cute and convenient design. The mold produces perfect little nugget-sized ice cubes, ideal for those who prefer smaller, chewable ice. The top cover allows for easy stacking in your freezer, maximizing space efficiency. This ice tray offers both style and substance. It's easy to fill and use, with the resulting ice cubes drawing praise for their fun, honeycomb shape. This heavy-duty kitchen gadget features a unique needle design that effortlessly tenderizes meat, ensuring perfect results every time. Users praise its impressive size and quality construction. The dual-sided hammer is larger than expected, yet surprisingly lightweight and easy to handle. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making tenderizing a breeze. Safety is a key feature of this tool. While the needles are impressively sharp for effective tenderizing, a protective guard ensures safe usage. Simply grip the handle and press down on your meat for optimal results. Discover the convenience of the foldable bamboo sofa armrest tray, your instant solution for a stable end table right on your sofa arm. Measuring 9.84 by 5.12 inches, this compact tray requires no power and is crafted from durable hardwood. Say goodbye to misplaced remotes or precarious drink placements. This tray provides a secure spot for your essentials, even on reclining chairs. No more mishaps when adjusting your footrest. The tray's sturdiness impresses customers, holding beverages securely within arm's reach. These versatile liners are perfect for healthy cooking in ovens and air fryers, ideal for a wide range of culinary activities, from baking to roasting. Users praise the convenience of these pre-cut liners. No more hassle of cutting parchment paper every time you need to air fry or bake. The size is just right, fitting perfectly in most air fryers and baking sheets. These liners prove to be a handy and useful addition to any kitchen. They work flawlessly, providing a non-stick surface that makes cleanup a breeze. This space-saving dish rack is designed to efficiently store dishes, cups, knives, forks, and even your sponge cloth, all while promoting easy draining and cleaning. Once assembled, this rack proves to be a handy addition to any kitchen counter. It successfully organizes everything, keeping your kitchen essentials neatly arranged and easily accessible. The space-saving design is particularly praised, helping to maximize counter space while providing ample storage. The ease of cleaning is another highlight, making maintenance a breeze. These ultra-grip, waterproof gloves offer unparalleled protection and comfort for all your kitchen, household, and laundry tasks. Users rave about the comfortable fit and perfect sizing of these gloves. They're exactly as described, non-slip, durable, and of excellent quality. Many customers find them even better than similar products purchased elsewhere and at a more competitive price. The glove's standout features include their heat resistance and gentle touch on hands, making them ideal for a wide range of cleaning tasks. This versatile tool is designed to make your cleaning tasks effortless and efficient. Featuring an extendable pole, this duster easily reaches high ceilings and ceiling fans without the need for ladders or stretching. The soft microfiber brush effectively captures dust and debris, leaving your surfaces spotless. Assembly is a breeze. Just a few twists to screw the poles together, and you're ready to clean. The duster's opening is perfectly sized to fit ceiling fan blades, ensuring a thorough clean every time. This ingenious device is designed to make your microwave cooking cleaner and more convenient than ever before. Crafted from heat-resistant material, this cover fits perfectly over large plates of food in your microwave. Its transparent design allows you to monitor your food as it cooks, while effectively preventing splatters and spills. The anti-sputtering, anti-oil cover keeps your microwave clean, significantly reducing the need for frequent cleaning. When it does need a wash, simply toss it in the sink for easy cleaning. No more scrubbing stubborn stains off your microwave walls. This versatile tool is designed to make opening various containers a breeze, from tuna cans to beer bottles. Featuring a non-slip grip, this opener ensures a secure hold while you work. Its sturdy construction guarantees durability, while the bright color makes it easy to locate, even in low-light conditions. The size is perfect for getting a good grip on any can, making opening effortless. Unlike traditional can openers with sharp blades, this all-plastic design prioritizes safety without compromising functionality. This versatile piece is designed to maximize storage capacity while minimizing space usage in any room of your home. Perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, and beyond, this movable rack offers multiple layers of storage. Its space-saving design allows you to stack and organize items efficiently, from canned goods to daily essentials. Mobility is key. Equipped with wheels, you can easily roll this cart wherever you need it. It's compact enough to fit under tables or countertops, making it ideal for small spaces. This comprehensive set is designed to elevate your baking game, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Inside this kit, you'll find an array of essential tools. Silicone cake pans offer versatility and easy release. Donut molds let you create perfect rounds every time. With 24 muffin cups, you can bake in batches for friends and family. But that's not all. This kit also includes must-have accessories like a spatula for smooth frosting application and an oil brush for perfectly greased pans. This essential bakeware tool is designed to make blending, whisking, beating, and stirring effortless in small containers. Perfect for whipping up salad dressings in measuring cups or creating sauces in mugs, this whisk size makes it ideal for precision tasks. Its non-stick silicone construction ensures easy cleaning and prevents scratching on your cookware. Users love its versatility and handy size. Whether you're mixing ingredients for baking or blending small batches of sauces, this whisk delivers excellent results every time. This comprehensive collection combines style and functionality to elevate your cooking experience. Featuring wooden handles and silicone heads, these utensils are designed with your cookware in mind. The non-stick friendly silicone won't scratch your pans, preserving their quality for years to come. Heat resistance is key in any kitchen, and this set delivers. Whether you're stirring a hot sauce or flipping pancakes, these tools can handle the heat without warping or melting. Looking for a stylish way to store your fresh produce? Check out this Countertop fruit vegetable basket. It features a removable bowl design with a sleek wooden handle, perfect for kitchen storage and organization. This versatile holder is ideal for preserving fruits and vegetables while adding a touch of style to your countertop. It's a great space saver that keeps your produce neatly arranged and easily accessible. While it may be a bit small for larger families, it's the perfect size for most households. This over-the-sink strainer is perfect for washing vegetables and fruits, making meal prep a breeze. Designed with functionality in mind, This basket features an adjustable size to fit various sink dimensions. Its clever construction includes multiple feet on the bottom, ensuring it doesn't touch the sink surface, allowing for proper drainage. Not only is it great for draining produce, but it also serves as a dish drying rack or a handy holder for sink supplies. The adjustable design adds dividers to large tub sinks, maximizing your workspace. This waterproof and mildew-resistant accessory is designed to keep your sink area clean and organized. Featuring a clever design, this splash guard includes a raised lip at the back to direct water forward, preventing splashes and spills on your countertop. The surface is lined with grooves that elevate items, allowing water to drain efficiently underneath. Made from sturdy, thick silicone, this product offers durability and long-lasting performance. Its generous length provides ample space to hold soap dispensers, sponges, and other sink essentials, while minimizing water accumulation on your sink top. Looking for a way to organize your kitchen and pantry? Check out these airtight food storage containers with lids. Available in sets of 12 or 24, these BPA-free containers are perfect for storing flour, sugar, cereal, and other dry foods. Designed with convenience in mind, these rectangular containers feature locking lids to keep your food fresh and prevent spills. The airtight seal helps preserve your ingredients and protect them from moisture and pests. The variety of sizes in each set allows for versatile storage options, accommodating different quantities of food items.